Good morning, students. Today we'll start the unit 18 around the world, page number 52. This is regarding famous women. Now, first I am talking about the Hillary Clinton. She was the first lady as she was the wife of the President Bill Clinton, and she made the history by being elected to the Senate and contesting for the president herself. Next famous woman is Cleopatra. She was the last pharaoh of Egypt, and she was called the woman of intelligence and charisma. Next one is Anne Frank. She was a young Jewish girl in the Netherlands, and later her diary has become one of the world's most widely read books. Next is Joan of Arc. She was nicknamed as Maid of Orleans. She is the national heroine of France and a Roman Catholic saint. Next one is Rosa Parks. She was an African American civil rights activist. She was called the First Lady of Civil Rights, and she was also called the Mother of Freedom Movement. Next is Emily Dickinson, and she was an American poet. She wrote hundreds of poems. Now come to page number 53, that is cities of the world. Now there are more than 3,000 major cities in the world. So a city is said to be major when it has more than 10 lakh inhabitants. Let's start with the major city, Paris. Now it is located next to the Seine River, and it is also known as the City of Lights. Next city is London. It is the most visited city in England, and it has many famous attractions like Buckingham Palace, Big Ben, the House of Parliament. Next is Bangkok. It is a wonderful mixture of the ancient and modern cultures. It is a famous tourist attraction spot, and even here you can see the traditional style wood houses. Next city is Singapore. It is one of the cleanest cities in the world, where it is illegal to even chew gum for fear that it might be tossed onto the sidewalk, and it is located off the coast of Malaysia. Next is Kuala Lumpur. It has also got the tourist destination. It is also called the business hub, and it has a mixture of the ethnicities such as Malay, Chinese, Indian. And last city which we will discuss, that is Dubai. It is located in the United Arab Emirates, and it is a famous tourist spot. Our next topic in this unit is famous places, page number 54. Now here we will discuss about the famous places. First, Bali. You know, this beautiful island is in Indonesia and is located at the extreme west of the lesser Sunda Islands between Java and Lombok, and it is also famous for tourist destination. Next one is Angkor Wat Temple. It was built early in the 1100, and the temple was originally dedicated to the Hindu god Lord Vishnu. Next is Forbidden City. This imperial palace is located right in the heart of Beijing, and once it was home to 24 Chinese emperors. Next is Bora Bora, and this island is located within the leeward island of the French Polynesia in the Pacific Ocean. Next one is Portola Palace, and this palace is in Lhasa, Tibet, and built by the King Songtsen Gampo. Next one is terracotta barriers. These were erected next to the Emperor Qin Shi Huang burial site so that they could guard him in his afterlife. Next one is, it is St. Peter's Basilica. It is one of the 4 basilicas that Rome has. It is located in the Vatican City, Italy, and St. Peter was buried here. And last one is the Dead Sea, and it is also known as the Sea of Salt, and it is the second saltiest body of water in the world with the salt content of 33%. Now let me assign you the homework. We have done Unit 18, 3 pages we have covered. Answers are given at the back of the book. You have to just see the answers and you have to write down the answers. Along with it, one page number 5 of the current affairs, you have to read. It is given in the book. 4 pages already we have covered in the first term, and 5th page number 5 you have to go through. That is your homework. Thank you.